Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the pan closely to judge whether scratches are surface level or deeper. This guides your method. Make a baking soda paste, apply it to the scratch, and use a non-abrasive pad to rub gently along the grain. That reduces visible marks without removing finish. Rinse and dry to check progress. If the scratch fades, continue short passes. If not, stop and prepare for the next, slightly more aggressive step to avoid overworking the metal. Once the baking soda step stalls, switch to controlled abrasion. Select 400-800 grit sandpaper or a fine metal polish. You must work strictly along the grain, using even, light strokes for 3-5 minutes at a time. That blends the scratch into surrounding metal instead of creating new cross scratches. Frequently rinse and dry to monitor results, because oversanding changes the finish. Make sure to remove any remaining abrasive particles with soap and a microfiber cloth before moving to final polishing. You finish by applying a stainless steel polish and buffing until the surface reflects light evenly. This restores the look and seals minor abrasions. After polishing, heat the pan gently and wipe a thin layer of cooking oil to revive sheen and protect against stains. Inspect under good light. If the scratch remains visible, repeat the process with a finer grit or a specialist metal polish. If deep gouges persist, consider a professional refinisher to avoid compromising pan integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.